Hi, my name is Milan. I will take you through our solar panels today. I'm going to show you a video and then I'm going to show you our Solarman app, how you can look at the efficiency of the solar panels. Enjoy. Hi, my name is Milan. In the background you see our house. We've got solar panels on there. This is the side facing more or less north with 7 panels on this side and then 7 panels also on the east side for the morning sun. You can hear in the background it's becoming spring here in South Africa. We're southern hemisphere, that's why most of the panels will be facing north. The panels are Jinko panels, 475 watt each, so that will give you about 600-500 watts for the whole system. So that's quite a lot, but let's go jump on the roof. Let's go and have a look at the panels from closer. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content to come your way. And after we look at the panels on the roof, we'll go downstairs, look on my laptop, look at the app and see how efficient these solar panels can produce power for us in the house. But let's move up. It's a beautiful view of the 7 panels facing north, northwest, looking east. Our neighbors also have panels. Their panels are lying flat, so I'm not too sure how efficient that might be. It's also tilted slightly to the south, which in the southern hemispheres might not be a best thing. So we're very fortunate that the angle of our roof is playing along with us. Also, some of our other neighbors also have panels. There they have panels facing east, but then also have some panels facing west. A beautiful day in South Africa. Spring is upon us. Okay, but let's move across to the panels on the other side of the roof, facing east. Also a good time for me to check the roof tiles and see if they're okay. You can see the 7 panels facing east, and then in the back the panels facing mostly north. Go Solar have added them to 2 different lines. We've got a line 1 and a line 2, keeping them nice and separate so we can even see the efficiency of both. But yes, we have to move down. Let's go and have a look at the application showing us the efficiency of the system. And we're going to use Solarman will be the application we're going to look at. Yes, while you're at it, you might as well, if you're on a roof, also check out other things. I know there's some work to have to be done on the chimney, and I know there's some water coming through, which is quite unfortunate, but hopefully we'll have a proper fix. I can already see that I might be able to do something to clean things up a little bit. But let's go down. It is a beautiful day. We don't want to spend the whole day on the roof. That's Tiger Bird Nature Reserve in the back. If you're from overseas, if you're from other provinces, please come visit our beautiful province, Western Cape in South Africa. Okay, but enjoy the view. I'm going to go downstairs and take you through the application. I hope you enjoyed that video. Now I'm going to look at some of the specifications. So yes, we've got 14 Tiger 475 watt Jinko solar panels, and yes, you can easily get these brochures. I went to jinkosolar.com, and if you scroll down, they do say it's got efficiency of 20.16%. I do believe it's a bit higher. as the total on our solar panels about 6,000 watts or 6.5 kilowatts. You might find some interesting things here, the technical things, the losses. Also for me interesting is the losses over years. Initially the loss will be a percentage, and then every year it will have a linear performance decrease. That's what they're trying to explain here in the technical terms. So yes, the efficiency will decrease, of course, over time, but it will take quite a long time, a couple of years probably even. I'm just scrolling down more and more. I'm not going to go into all of it, but you can see most of them have this linear performance warranties. Okay, so you can enjoy that if you're a person enjoying these specifications. I'm going to go over to our application, the Solarman Smart application. Just want to log on to our house. So you're going to have a couple of plants linked to this. This is now our house, and yes, to try and figure out what's going on initially might be complicated. For now, it's all for me all about the overview, and it's all about the solar panels. Here you can see already today, it's not even midday, it's still morning, and already the production is 3.26 kilowatts, and the maximum can be about 6.5. If we look at yesterday, it peaked almost on 6, so that's almost 90. Well, there it really peaked on 7.38, so it's giving more than 100% efficiency on some days, and it's still in winter time. There's a 4, just giving you a broad picture. I know it's not scientific. There's a 4.35, but definitely the efficiency at the peaks are much higher than what they even promise in the specifications. So come summertime, the peaks might be around about 5. As you look at the graphs, you can already pick up that, of course, in the mornings you'll have less, in the afternoons have more. And yes, sometimes you're just lucky with installations that is picking up most efficient sunlight. Also remember, we've got half of the panels facing east, so it's only grabbing the sunlight in the mornings, and then half the panels facing north, grabbing the rest of the day. And in that context, the efficiency is even better, that we're losing half our panels towards the end of the day. But yes, so it will pick up, and you can see some of the days, also the totals, the production will be limited to what we use. So here at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, the batteries are fully loaded, and that's typically where we like to do our washing and making meals and things like that, using the most electricity. You can see most of the production days well, didn't run, but you can see on the left hand side top, over 60 days, we didn't have panels for all the days. Let's say we have 50 days only, we get around about 10 kilowatts per day. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoy your solar panels. Also post a lot of comments also telling me how efficient your panels are. But with our panels, we're probably reaching 90% efficiency midday and getting quite a lot of energy out of the solar panels. Also look at the other content. I will be posting also content on the inverters and the batteries.